Hello, I'm Cal. Welcome to another video. This one follows on from installing Google Chrome and creating an account, because this speed test is accessed through this browser. So check out this video if you haven't already installed Google Chrome, or if you're interested in setting up a Gmail account. Plug your computer into your broadband router if you want an actual maximum internet speed. Otherwise, the test will be limited to your Wi-Fi speed of your device. Open Google Chrome and then type in speed test and then click enter. The search result we want is the top one. There's no links to take you to any other site. This is running the browser. So select run speed test. The test will run for download speeds first of all. This covers the speed of your surfing the net, streaming, downloading programs, files or games. Once done, it will run a speed test of your upload speed. This covers uploading of files to YouTube, for instance, or when you're playing online games, or if you're playing online competitive games, having a decent upload as well as a decent download speed is essential. Running this speed test can clarify if you're getting what you're paying for through your provider. If you are paying a premium like me, you now have evidence if the performance is not meeting the minimum speeds they guarantee you. At the end of the test, it gives you a summary of a decision of the speed and what you can expect this speed to achieve. Run this test several times to provide an average, and you can always use snipping tool to copy everything on screen, including the date and time. Your internet will dip at peak times, but you should be getting the minimum that was promised. Your internet provider may have a speed test also, but this test through Google will be impartial. You can also test this on your phone too. I reiterate, this will be limited to your Wi-Fi speed and your device. I hope you found this video useful. The link for the Chrome installation video is below in the description. If you have any suggestions for useful software or tools like this, please leave a comment below. Please like, share and subscribe. For alerts for more future videos, click on the bell icon next to this. This will take a minute for you, but might make a lifetime of a difference to me. Check out my previous videos by visiting my page too. Thanks for watching. I'm Cal, signing off. Have a good morning, afternoon or good evening. Farewell till next time. See you later.